Right, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we've got this stunning MR2 V6 down at the unit. James has just given it a detail and we're going to take it out for a quick spin. But before we do that, guys, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Right, so we're back in the car with James.
Yeah, hello.
Again?
Yes.
This is going to be a new thing. James is definitely going to be our cameo appearance every so often. So this time we're in a MR2 V6.
Yeah,
with
correct.
A few modifications.
Yeah, so as a lot of people know, the V6 engine never came in these MR2s. They came with a 2-litre NA or turbocharged. Now, the current owner of this car, he's had it for 20 years, and a while back he had a 3.5-litre V6 engine put in, which was ripped out of a Toyota Camry. It's had quite a bit of head work done to it, custom ECU and map, exhaust upgrades, and it should be pushing around about 300 horsepower. Now, the other cool thing about it is it's got a 6-speed gearbox, which was out of a Toyota Auris as well. So it's, well, I don't know if it's out of a petrol or manual one, because it feels really weird. I've got so many years of experience with MR2s, never driven one with a V6 in it, let alone, you know, any different gearbox. But it is truly strange with reverse gear being in the wrong place, and the fact that it's got 6 gears.
So explain to everyone just maybe a little bit what you've had, what the customers asked for to be done to the car.
So the reason why this car is with me is he wanted this car to basically look pretty again. It's had quite a bit of, I'd say, neglect, not necessarily neglect, it's just suffered to the elements quite a bit. And it came in for a full decontamination wash, a clay bar, and ceramic coating. Topped it off with a coat of hard wax as well. Done a really deep clean to the wheels, and it's come out really, really lovely for the age of the car. I believe this is, from looking at it, I wasn't too sure by the number plate. It might be a personal number plate, but I think this is a Rev 2, so between 92 and 94.
Yeah,
I believe. I know all the MR2 guys are just going to massively correct me on this.
Yeah.
Be like, you don't even know what you're talking about, innit?
Probably find out the MR2 actually never come with a V6 engine, and it's just like a made-up car.
Yeah, that's it.
This used to be a Mini.
It used to be a Fiesta with a body kit.
Yeah.
So yeah, this slip road here we go. It's a nice bit of pickup.
Oh wow.
Yeah, first gear is just insane. It just lights up straight away. They're quite, I'd say it's quite long geared, which is probably ideal for this sort of car, well, for the engine, with the amount of torque that it's got. If this gearbox is mad to the 2-litre, you know, NA engine, I don't think it would work well.
Yeah.
Meister R coilovers, and it's a really soft setting. He's got it jacked up quite high, so you know it's a nice daily driver.
Bit of a GT.
Definitely. And geared the way it is, what, 70 mile an hour, 2,000 RPM. Yeah. It's nice. So it's that's your eco mode, 6th gear right there. We do, however, need to get some fuel. Because this thing came to me with like a quarter of a tank left, and I've only run up to the shops and back and it's like empty.
Got the hole.
It's got a hole in it somewhere. Try my raise.